Hi guys, welcome back to Million Peso Listing. So if you're looking for a pre-selling project na gusto mo mag-invest, property investment, Arcovia is the best for you. Ngayon, titingnan natin tong unit na 1-bedroom unit dito sa Arcovia. So tara guys, pasok tayo. So this one is a 55 square meter 1-bedroom unit with balcony. So as you can see, naka-interior design na siya, pero pagdating sa actual ng turnover ng unit mo, it's fully fitted. Okay? So meaning ng fully fitted is siya ready to live na siya, livable na siya, and ang kulang na lang is furnitures and appliances. So pasok po tayo na. Here, as you can see, this one is the living area. So papansin mo, this one is a very spacious. Then ito is, ang maganda dito sa living area mo, convertible to sa another bedroom. Kasi as you can see here, meron din balcony. Ayan, so yung 1-bedroom unit mo is pwede pa siyang maging 2-bedroom unit. So tara. The good thing about this balcony is malaki siya compared sa mga typical na balcony natin. Because this one is 5 square meter. Okay, so yun, papio lang. Pasok naman tayo dito. Ay, hindi mo yung videographer. Sorry. Sorry, ma'am. So this one is Juntes. And we're going to enter naman itong bedroom natin. Ayan. Sobrang elegant ng bedroom niya. Sobrang ganda ng design. So ito kasya kahit queen size bed. And this one, don't worry, pagdating ng turnover, wala naman talaga itong partition. So it's part of design lang din ng team natin. So kinagandahan sa bedroom mo, sobrang laki niya na pwede ka pang maglagay ng office space or office area mo. Then dito naman is the toilet and bath. And tulad ng mga dinideliver natin kay Mega World, half glass partition na rin siya. Pinakita ko ba yung kitchen? Hindi ko pinakita yung kitchen. So, hindi ko pinakita yung kitchen, guys. So, let's go. Madilim kasi, ba't kaya?
Naka-shades kasi.
Let's enter naman itong kitchen. So, this one is granite na. Meron tayong overhead and under-counter cabinet. So, yun lang guys, no? So, if you're looking for a pre-selling property, dito sa Pasig na talagang accessible siya, malapit sa BGC, Makati, QC. So, Arcovia is the best for you because this one is a township and we offer this kind of unit for a no down payment terms and for as low as 15,000 per month. So, yun lang po. Contact me for more details.